Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Picture this. Moments from now, you could start your very own 100% hands-off domain and hosting business that automatically registers the cheapest domains in existence and sells them for you for a profit 24/7, 365, with multiple additional income streams included. All this while you yourself stop paying all those massive monthly fees for overpriced third-party domain registration and hosting platforms. Yes, Domain Drive AI makes it all possible. It allows you to sell unlimited domains to clients and hosting packages and get automated commissions without lifting a finger. AI does 99.9% of the work for you. To be precise, 100+ AI models that work in synchronicity for maximum speed and performance. AI finds and secures the cheapest domain prices in existence for you. AI finds millions of pre-qualified domain buyer leads that are interested in what you have. AI automatically contacts all those leads on your behalf, offering your domains for a price anyone simply can't refuse. Once the sale is finalized, you get paid and AI starts recommending upsells to the buyer. Things like hosting packages, SEO services, affiliate offers, and more. AI keeps on repeating the same process over and over again. Yes, you heard that right. You can own a 100% DFY marketplace with inbuilt buyer traffic that we include. It all runs in the background while you can focus on other things, take a day off, or even go for a quick vacation. It's the easiest way to generate commissions online. Buy low, sell high, while you maximize your profit with multiple upsells, and AI takes care of the whole process. Domain Drive AI was created so you can start getting these recurring commissions everyone dreams about when starting an online business. Recurring commissions on hosting packages, SEO services, multiple recurring affiliate products, and more. Generating these monthly commissions that effortlessly hit your account over and over is the holy grail for anyone with an online business. A part of that, you can stop paying for all your current domains and save thousands yourself. Domain Drive AI works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in to the members area. Step 2. Create your very own domain and hosting selling business site. Step 3. Get paid for every single domain registered by AI purchased and further monetize with hosting, affiliate promotions, ads, SEO services, and more. Popular domains can cost anywhere from thousands to millions of dollars. That's not it. Domain Drive AI also takes care of DNS setup and adds a free SSL encryption for every single domain, which means that you can start monetizing your own domains and websites in seconds. Before Domain Drive AI, paying Namecheap, paying GoDaddy, paying renewal after renewal, year after year for someone else's platform. After Domain Drive AI, running your own 100% hands-off business, keeping every margin, watching AI write, pitch, and close sales around the clock with a single click to get started. Same domains and hosting, completely different side of the transaction. 378 million people are overpaying for domains right now. Yes, the biggest online business opportunity of 2026 is here, and you're about to profit from it. With Domain Drive AI, you're not just saving money on your own domains, you're building the platform that earns money from everyone else's. Domain Drive AI allows you to sell unlimited domains from every TLD, .com, .net, .org, .ai. Sell unlimited domains to clients and get automated commissions. Stop paying for your current domains and save thousands. Additional monetization with hosting, affiliate products, and SEO services. Inbuilt buyer traffic, 1 million plus domain buyer leads you can sell to. 99.9% uptime hosting included for your business. Free DNS setup included. Free SSL encryption included. Plus, the best part? Software integration with 100+ top AI models like OpenAI GPT 5.5, Anthropic Claude Opus 4.7, Google Gemini 3.1 Pro, xAI Grok 4.20, DeepSeek R1 V3, Meta Llama 4 Scout, Leonardo AI Pro, Mistral 3, 90 plus more premium AI models. The domain industry is worth billions. You've been funding it. It's time to flip sides. Our beta testers are already enjoying the payouts. We're talking crazy results after a quick and easy setup up front. Domain Drive AI hands an entire DFY business in a box to you, minus the chaos. Remember, you have to hurry. The one-time price is limited to the initial launch only, so don't wait for the price increase. Right now, you can snatch it for less what a small pizza costs. You're just minutes away from finally being able to make it online. Click the Buy Now button below and let's connect personally on the next page.
What's up guys, welcome to Domain Drive. Now this tool enables you to create and sell unlimited domains in any niche, in any domain extension, at any price you set. You can also monetize it with ads. That means selling hosting packages or website setup packages, website design, stuff like that. So you can use it with any domain extensions. That means Domain Drive can let you sell .com, .net, .org, .info, and anything and everything. You can see we have all of the TLDs included right here. You set your price and you can sell for as low as $1 and as high as $199, as you can see right here. Most importantly, you can use it for your own domains and skip paying GoDaddy or Namecheap as affordably as you want. And we also have an AI helper that helps you identify expired domains that would sell for a very, very high price. So that's also a good advantage to have. And this is how your shop will look like. So your customers just go here, they enter the domain name that they want, and then they select what extensions they want to register and just click search. We have a domain search, we have a domain generator in case they want to let the software, to let Domain Drive come up with domain name ideas for their businesses. And we have WHOIS information, reverse IP lookup, domain location, and DNS lookup if they want to buy a domain that's already registered to somebody else, and you can broker that and get paid thousands of dollars for that. And as I said, we have an AI also that identifies expired domain names that can be very, very valuable, including 4-letter .com domain names, which can retail for millions of dollars.